If you've decided it's time to leave Facebook for good, I'll show you to permanently delete your account step by step. Let's get started. Open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon, which is usually your profile picture or the three horizontal lines. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Once you're in Settings, tap See More in Account Center near the top of the screen. From there, go to Account Settings and select Personal Details. Tap Account Ownership and Control, then choose Deactivation or Deletion. If you have more than one account linked, select the Facebook account you want to remove. Next, choose Delete Account and tap Continue. Facebook will show you information about what happens when your account is deleted and may suggest alternatives such as deactivating your account instead. If you're sure you want to permanently remove it, continue to the next step. You may be asked why you're leaving Facebook. You can select a reason or simply continue. Before finalizing the deletion, Facebook will also give you the option to download a copy of your information, including photos, videos, posts, and other data. This is a good idea if you want to keep anything important before your account is removed. When you're ready, enter your Facebook password to confirm your identity and tap Delete Account. Your deletion request will then be submitted. Keep in mind that Facebook doesn't delete your account instantly. There's a 30-day waiting period during which you can change your mind. If you log back into the account during those 30 days, the deletion request may be cancelled. So, if you're certain about deleting your account, avoid signing in on any device until the waiting period has passed. After the 30 days are over, your Facebook account and personal information will be permanently removed and you won't be able to recover them. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.